Tomorrow you are having the re-INSEM exam, na? Is it right? Hello? All of you there? Shraddha, Pooja, Kishori Sawant.
Sir.
Tomorrow you are having the re-INSEM exam, na?
Yes, sir. But result is not declared, sir, yet.
Okay, tomorrow I think my subject is there. I will display the marks right now. Also,
Okay, sir.
we will put in group also, but now you can see marks. I will share the screen. ADC 1. Screen is visible. Screen is visible, all of you. Yes, screen is visible.
Yes,
Anyone?
sir.
You can see your marks, roll number wise. दिख रहा है क्या मार्क्स वगैरह? श्रद्धा, किशोरी, सावंत, किशोरी.
हाँ, yes, sir.
कितने मार्क्स
Yes,
है?
sir.
मार्क्स कितने हैं?
Roll number 27, sir.
27 का. Twenty-seven. 27.
हाँ, sir.
रोल नंबर भी 27 है, मार्क्स भी 27 है. पायल, please check your marks, all of you. Gayatri is there.
सर ये क्या है वो?
हाँ?
ये क्या है सर?
ये ऊपर क्या लिखा है? What I have written. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है?
IC मार्क.
हाँ.
सर 14 पडली ती. काय सर हे काय समजे नाही खरं सर मार्क कुठे आहे ते काय समजे नाही.
आपका नाम किधर है?
ऊपर है सर, रोल नंबर 1।
रोल नंबर 1 चेक करो कितने मार्क्स है।
हाँ हाँ किया सर, किया किया।
हाँ ये
देखो।
टोटल है ये वाला।
हाँ
These are the total marks. Please check your roll number wise. Boys, no response from the boys side. Swapnali, Swapnali
Yes,
is
sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
Roll number
28.
28. कितने मार्क्स है? 28.
28.
Okay, next. Aditya. Chaitanya, Oval. Shantanu Patil, Arbaz Sheikh.
Yes, sir.
Shantanu है ना?
Yes, sir.
Roll number roll number 57, what is your roll number, please?
57, sir.
57. How many marks you got? It is visible. How many marks you got? Huh? कितने मार्क्स आए?
26.
26. Anyone? Anyone doubt, please?
16 roll number sir.
Roll number 16. Mane Ashwini. Is it visible? Mane Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
How many marks you got?
26.
Okay. And next, anyone? Roll number 32.
53.
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
53.
53. कौन? सौरभ. सौरभ 26. कम है सौरभ. Next, anyone? Anyone, please? Can I close this? Can I close this, please? I will share this marks in the group. You can check. If anyone having the less marks or if you have any doubt, you can call me.
सर बाकीच्या सब्जेक्टचे मार्क
बाकी सब्जेक्ट का इवनिंग डिस्प्ले करेंगे ग्रुप में. नोट. Okay. So we will discuss the lecture. Just wait. Hello. Hello. All of you there in online, please. Revati. Revati.
Yes, sir.
ये 5 इधर लेके आए तो रिमेनिंग टर्म क्या रहेगा इधर? If we are bringing this 5, v by 5 is equal to remaining equation. What we can write? फाइव इधर लेके आए तो रिमेनिंग कौन सा रहेगा? 4.44 into f into tph into kw ना? Is it right or not? Is it right or not, please?
Right, sir.
So why nobody is giving the response? Just I have bring this 5 term here. So if frequency of the supply is changes, then magnitude of this voltage is also changes. Magnitude of this voltage is also changes, because V by 5 is equal to 4.44 into 5 into TPS KW, because the voltage and this frequency is directly proportional. Voltage and this frequency is directly proportional. So whenever this frequency changes, the magnitude of this voltage is also changes. Whenever this frequency changes, the magnitude of this voltage is also changes. Is it clear? So here we can we can vary the frequency in two methods. Okay. By increasing the frequency and by decreasing the frequency, by keeping the voltages constant. By keeping the voltages constant, if f is decreased, what will happening? And voltage is constant here. Voltage is constant. V by 5 is equal to, okay, V by 5 is equal to 4.44 f into TPH into KW. 4.44 f into TPH into KW. If flux is increased, then what about the flux? Flux क्या होगा? Flux क्या होगा if frequency is increased? Sir, frequency is increased. If frequency is increased, what about the flux? What about the flux?
Decreases.
Flux is decreases. Is it clear? And in second method, same way, V by 5 proportional to flux frequency. Okay, the flux is decreases. The flux is, sorry, frequency is decreases. The flux is increases. The flux is increases. Clear? So from these two methods, what we can understand? From these two methods, what we can understand? If which method is suitable, which method is better? If we are decreasing the frequency, then what will happening? The flux is increases. If the flux is increases is nothing but, okay, if the flux is increases, the motor will draws the more current. The motor will receive the more current. Clear? If this motor will receive the more current and the torque is also increases, and the torque is also increases. Clear? If the torque is increases, the speed of the, so the torque is increases, but what will happening here? Whenever this motor is draws more current from the supply, then what will happen? For example, here we are having the supply. Okay, we are having the supply. and we are using connected this three-phase induction motor like this. Three-phase induction motor like this. Clear? And whenever this flux is increases, it will draw the more current from the supply. Then what will happening? This line supply is line voltage and line currents disturbed. Line voltage and line currents are disturbed. Okay, if this line voltage and line currents are disturbed, then what will happening? Whatever the loads are connected to the same line, okay, whatever the loads are, other loads are connected to the same lines. Okay, some devices are, some loads are connected to the same lines. Clear? What will happening? If this line voltages and line currents are disturbed, but this load, other loads also get be affected. Other loads also will be affected. Clear? So, and one more thing, if it is getting the more current, if it is taking the more current, and the losses also increasing, and the losses also increasing, okay, losses also increasing. If the losses are increasing, then if the losses are increasing, then the motor efficiency will be decreases. The motor efficiency will be decreases. That's why this second method means this method is not preferred mostly. Okay, this method is not preferred mostly. Clear? So that's why this first method is giving the prefer mostly while controlling the speed of the induction motor by varying the frequency. By varying the frequency. Clear? But it is also having the some drawbacks. But it is also having the some drawbacks, because if the frequencies increases, the flux is decreases. Flux is decreases is nothing but no load speed increases. No load speed is increases. Next, the maximum torque is decreases. The maximum torque is decreases. Okay, starting torque is also decreases, because the flux is decreases means starting torque is also decreases. So this is the advantage. Starting torque decreases means this is the advantage means it can limit the starting current. It can limit the starting current. So it is having the one or two or three advantages compared with the previous first method. Okay, this one. So this method is mostly we are not using, or mostly this method is not preferring. So mostly we'll give the prefer this method. Okay, by increasing the frequency, the flux will be decreases. If the flux is decreases, what will happening? The starting torque is also decreases and no load speed is increases. Okay, if the starting torque is decreases means starting current is also decreases. Starting current decreases means it will limit the starting current. Okay, so that is the advantages. Okay, that's why for this purpose mostly we are giving the prefer this method. Next. Next, just wait. Next, if the base speed is taken as omega b, if the base speed is taken as omega b, okay, this base speed can be defined as the synchronous speed. This base speed can be defined as the synchronous speed corresponding to the rated frequency. Corresponding to the rated frequency. So omega b is nothing but this is the base speed. It can be defined as synchronous speed corresponding to the rated frequency. Corresponding to the rated frequency. So the synchronous speed at any other frequency is equal to the synchronous speed at any other frequency is equal to omega b is equal to k into sorry, omega s is equal to, or we can say omega s is equal to omega s is directly proportional to the omega b. Okay, so omega b is nothing but here base speed. Okay, base speed, it can be defined as synchronous speed corresponding to the base frequency. Okay, synchronous speed corresponding to the base frequency. So this is directly proportional to the synchronous speed, that we can write here omega s is equal to, we can write here omega s is equal to k into omega b. Omega s is equal to k into omega b. So from this here k is nothing but constant, or we can say per unit frequency, clear? So k is equal to we can write here the value of the k, the formula for finding the value of k, that is equal to omega s by omega b, omega s by omega b, clear? So that is equal to f upon by f rated, f upon by f rated, clear? So omega s is nothing but here synchronous speed at the supply frequency. Omega b is nothing but base speed at the rated frequency. Whenever the rated frequency is applied to the motor, for example, the rated frequency is 60 Hz, example, rated frequency 60 Hz is applied. So when the 60 Hz is applied, whatever the motor is having the speed, that speed can be called as a base speed at rated frequency. That speed can be called as a base speed at the rated frequency. Clear? Next, just wait. Okay, so from this equation, what we can write here, slip s is equal to omega s minus omega s minus omega m, omega s minus omega m by omega m, that is equal to k into omega b minus omega m इक्वेशन रॉन्ग लिखा हो तो भी कुछ बोलते नहीं, इक्वेशन रॉन्ग लिखा तो भी nobody is saying. S is equal to omega s minus omega m by omega s. Clear? We know the formula. So substitute the value equation omega s is equal to k into omega b in this equation. So okay, k into omega b minus omega m by k into omega b, that is equal to slip s is equal to what we can write here, k into omega b by k into omega b minus omega m upon by k into omega b. Okay, k into omega b will be cancelled. That is equal to s is equal to 1 minus 1 minus omega m by k into omega b. S is equal to 1 minus omega m upon by k into omega b. Clear? So this is the equation for the slip when the motor is running at the running at the base frequency or rated frequency. Clear? Just wait.